It is now 12 a.m. on the dot, a week after filming this video. I decided to record this now because I forgot to say it while filming the vlog itself. I just wanted to give a massive shout out to my friend Zach. Zach, thanks for training me recently. I only know I trained with you like 2 times, but like both times I've trained with you, I've been feeling stronger than ever. You've given me a lot of knowledge already and also a lot of motivation just to become stronger and just be the best version of me. So you're awesome. Can't wait to train with you even more. And also massive shout out to Lightning Fitness for letting me train inside your amazing gym. Let's get to the video. You're going to be seeing some squat, some strongman log press, as well as other conditioning stuff. So hope you guys enjoy. Catch you later. It's 9:41 in the morning. I'm pretty sure I'm home alone, but I'm really tired, not gonna lie. I'm still very sore, very stressed. School's a lot right now, but today we gotta forget about all that shit. I'm gonna be going to a very special gym with a great buddy of mine, so we got a really good video planned out for you guys. Right now, I'm gonna cook some breakfast, rice and eggs. That's really all it's gonna be. So let's cook that shit up. I don't know the proper measurements, how much I got. I just took like 2 smaller scoops of rice, so that's how we're gonna do this. Let me kind of talk you through what we got planned for today. My buddy Zach invited me to go to his gym called Lightning, powerlifting strongman style gym. I've never been in the gym before. The last vlog I filmed was in Arson's, which you guys can check out in the link below. But I've never actually gone to the gym before, so today's gonna be exciting. My first time visit. Only like a $20 day pass, and I'm gonna be Zach's guest, so that's cool. Oh, there goes the shell. Gotta love it, dude. You guys ready for some rice flips? Check this shit. Oh god, it might not even flip that well. There we go.
I just want to see if this is going to be good to...
Alright, so I have no idea how the audio on this is going to sound. So I might switch to the shotgun mic at some point.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
I mean, that's as low as I go too, so.
Alright, so have you ever used a mono?
No.
Okay.
Because the Edge does not have one, neither does Arson's.
So this is all you do. So literally to release it, you go up and it swings out.
Okay.
It's going to swing out more when there's not a bar on it. So then when
you finish the lift.
when you're done, you just tell, before you do every set, just tell me how many reps you're going to do so I know. Make sure you keep holding this up, push this down and then pull this back over to make sure it's snapped in. So like lift it out, just like get in your the position you'd want for your squat.
I'll just go for just one.
Good.
So I was going for one just for the test.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm just gonna do some.
Okay. I don't have to hold it.
No. All right, I'll do 2 more.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
All right, cool.
Sorry. Good.
Woo! All right, that's cool.
Yeah. Got 2 more.
Good. Oh shit, man, I don't know if I can do this weight.
I know, man, you might have to just go for PR right here.
Let me throw on my belt.
Just seeing what happens with like 405 today.
Yeah, I can fuck with that. So yeah, we're starting off with some squat, Don't really know where we're going to go from there, but he's going to show me some interesting stuff today.
I'll do the same. Like
Cool.
fives.
Cool, cool.
Bottoming out the fucking chain, dude.
Huh?
You're hitting the bottom. Sinking them.
I'm flexible, man.
It's not bad. Not a bad thing.
But what I notice is as my weight goes up, I go I don't go as
little
deep.
higher?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do the same thing.
Word?
Five.
Cool. I counted 4.
Nice.
Dude, you went just as low as I did.
Pretty much. Just keep him to the side, honestly. Oh shit, we got some bagpipes.
Scotland, forever.
As long as Lit wants to get going.
Oh yeah, dude.
I heard it for the first time here. I was like, what is this song?
Yeah.
Gotta be something
You're like-
good after this.
All right. 2 wheels?
Yeah. What do you want? 5 or what?
Yeah, for right now, I'll stick with, I think I'm gonna stick with 5s until I hit 3 plates.
Okay.
Once I hit 3 plates, I'll probably just move down to triple.
I'll go to like 3. Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that, singles.
I'll probably just stay at triples the whole time.
All right. Ah, shit. Good old slippy knot. All right, triple.
All right. Oh yeah. Easy weight. All right, I'll do the same.
Kill. Easy up, come on. Yep. Good. Good shit. So, real quick, I muted Mike, or Zach's mic. I just wanted to show this off. I got a new custom lever belt. It is actually SBD style, but I talked with the designer. It has Shinobi and kanji on the buckle. Like, this thing is sick. It says feel the pain. on the back. I'm very happy with how this belt turned out. Ooh, yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Come on. Yep. Oh yeah. Easy up.
Yeah, baby.
All right. 3 reps.
Yes, sir.
Too low. Oh! All right. Let's get it.
Easy up. Come on. Nice. Keep that breathing. Come on, come on. One more. Good. Rack. Yeah, baby.
6 plates.
6 plates for the vlog? No. It's actually feeling kind of heavy today. Me and him deadlifted 2 days ago, and I hit 535.
Fuck you, man. We were matching it, and you said to go 40 pounds higher than me.
Yeah, of course. And my hammies are feeling it. Yeah, like sore.
I feel good.
Like practically sore to the touch.
All right. 365, baby.
All right, big boy. Easy weight. Drive. Yep. Easy.
Let's go.
The bottle of
Don't do it to me, man. I don't want to do it. This man's an evil bastard. Zach, no.
Damn.
Tight, 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 tight. Drive that. Fucking light, baby.
All right, Shaun.
Oh shit, it's me. Who's that?
Yeah. Big brace. Nice and tight. Yep. Drive, come on.
Yeah, baby.
That was good.
That felt good.
It looked good.
That one actually felt better than my 365. Come on. Come on, baby. Tight, tight, tight. Yep. Yep. I mean, that 385 moved pretty good.
Yeah, this is gonna move no problem.
But in the words of Eddie Hall, I gotta take care of my dehydration.
Yeah, I'm very, very dehydrated.
I'm very, very dehydrated.
But you don't have your cranberry juice, dude.
20-minute drive here. Very sleep deprived, very dehydrated.
Only 20 minutes?
Yeah.
That's great, dude. Let's go. You've been here before. Come on. This is no problem for you. Yep, come on now. Drive, come on. Oh, yeah. No fucking
Fuck
problem.
yeah, baby, come on. Oh, what happened?
Are you oh,
My
no.
wrist strap's caught. Oh, that's good. Let's go.
260. And then I'll take 280, and that'll be.
What do you want, on a count or just breath in, or?
Go up on 3.
1, 2, 3. Yep, you got it.
What is this?
260.
260.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, Patrick. Tight. Drive, come on. Easy.
Oh, easy.
This is,
This man's a
This man's a fucking madman.
I just took the seal off this motherfucker. This is the world's strongest smelling salts, so this is gonna be a good set.
What the fuck? I don't want to go near him.
No, me neither. I don't go near anything. Anywhere near that thing.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Oh!
Yeah.
Come on! Come on. Come on, fucker, come on. Clear, come on.
All right, Zach, sit down.
Come on. Get that shit up. Good. Tight, tight.
Take a breath.
Come on.
Get back.
Ah!
One more, Zach. Let's go, kid.
Come on, one more. Drive it! Go! Fuck yeah, baby, come on! Come on, dude.
Woo! Bro, this was still like a foot away from my nose by the time it worked. It's fucking ridiculous.
I'll say this much
All right,
though.
Sean's about to have his smelling salt virginity taken.
I've never done smelling salts. And the first one I'm gonna do is the world's strongest smelling salts. What the fuck?
Just take one hit, man.
No, closer to your body, closer to your body. Yeah, closer. Keep going.
Oh! Oh!
Come on, Sean. Let's go. Fast.
Drive it! Yep!
Oh yeah.
Wow, I dipped, but holy shit! Oh!
Come on, Patrick, let's go. Nice and tight. Come on. Stay tight. Drive, come on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on! Let's go! Come on now. Copyright music, anyways. What are we doing next?
Log press.
Ah, shit. All right, let's go.
So start. You want to have the log tilted slightly forward.
Okay.
So you're here.
Yep.
First part's a deadlift.
Yep.
Next part, you're gonna sit down and sit back.
Yep.
And you're gonna row this into your chest. So
Okay.
like you're doing a row, and then still have it tilted forward.
Okay.
Because you want to be able to use the wrist action.
bring it up to the
Yep.
shelf.
But
Okay.
at the same time, you're exploding up. It's almost like you are doing clean. It's almost like you're trying to jump with it in a way. You're
Okay.
just extending everything. So here, an explosion up to here.
Okay.
So this might not work too great with the mic.
Yeah, we'll take that off.
Yeah. All right. So tilt it forward here, up, sit down row, up here.
Yep.
And notice how it's not here, it's up against my throat. I'm looking
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Like really looking up.
Yep.
And so then we're gonna dip, press.
Okay. Okay. So forward.
Yeah. Deadlift, sit down, pull it in. You still want that tilted forward though.
Okay.
So when you're here, you still want it down. So your wrists are down.
Oh.
You're here, you're rolling it, but your wrists are down.
Oh, so I'm here.
Yeah, so you're here.
Okay.
So at the same time you're doing this, you're extending the hips, you're rolling it up the chest and getting it up here,
Go up
looking
here.
straight up.
Okay. Okay.
Wrist forward. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, that wasn't so bad.
The biggest mistake I see people do is they're kind of like this with the log, when
Yeah.
really you want to be like this.
Yeah.
It needs to be up here because
It goes
you're-
straighter up?
Yeah, well that, but also if you're sitting here, you're fighting the log from falling. If you're here, it's kind of resting on your
Yeah.
chest and
Okay.
on your shoulders,
Okay.
and you're not wasting that energy. And your chest is directly underneath, so that when you drive the legs, your chest is giving it that pop.
Yeah.
Upwards.
Okay.
Yeah, so really just like from that bottom position, just be explosive. Up, right up against here, lean your, curve your upper back.
Yep.
And then drop, and then at the same time that you drive up, drive the shoulders.
Okay.
It's got to sync up, because if it doesn't, you might as well just be strict pressing.
Okay.
That happens a lot, getting off balance.
Yeah, I think it's this part right here.
Yeah.
I'll go again.
Yep. So one way you know if you're doing it right, when you have it here and you go to dip and you go to drive, if at any point during that you feel it start sliding down on you, you don't have it high up enough.
I don't think I felt that on that
Yeah,
one.
well, no, that's good. I'm just saying,
All right.
if you do, if you go down to drive and you feel like some of it's fighting to fall forward,
Yeah.
you don't have it. You don't have it close up to you.
Okay.
Or high up.
Okay. 130. Future Sean, when you edit this, it's 130. Come on.
Yep. Drive. Easy. Nice. Woo!
Come on. Come on. Big drop. Good shit, dude.
Easy. It's like riding a bike,
Yeah, buddy.
but not for you because you've never done it.
Yeah, I have my training wheels.
Yep.
I got lost.
Falling forward.
Yep.
Yeah.
I had to go a little bit more.
Yeah. And also, yeah, look straight up here. Make sure it's, because if you're directly under it,
Yeah.
it's not gonna have the chance to fall forward.
Yeah.
If you're more like here, it's gonna want to do.
Yeah. Also
You
just
almost think about like looking almost like back behind you a little bit. So it's like you're directly underneath it.
okay. The clean was okay.
It was fine.
My strength here is just I think it's you're right. It's definitely pushing
Because
down.
when you dipped, it started.
Okay.
And once the energy starts going that way, you're done because it's none
So
of
I
the
need to
pressure-
stay here on that dip.
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs to stay vertical. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! Good.
150.
You see it start to turn
Yeah.
a little bit on you?
150.
You got it. Yep.
I'm good. That's gonna be a funny video.
Dude, that'll be fucking hilarious.
Good. Tight. Head through. There we go. Yeah, so.
I'm gonna hit that one more.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because
I don't give a fuck. Nice and tight. Come on. Yeah. Much better. Much better.
oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no, it's not open. Is it? Oh, it is right here.
What machine?
This guy.
Oh shit.
So,
The instructions, come on, push, lift your hand do one for Santa Claus. Come on. You do believe in Santa Claus, right? Come on. Do one for Bugs Bunny. He's my friend.
Thank you.
We'll try.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Come on now. Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
So pretty close grip.
Okay.
So we're here. We start dropping it down,
Yep.
and then we're also gonna bend our elbow here, and I'm pretty much all the way down. I'm like resting on my bicep here. This is
Okay.
the end position. My knuckles are facing up.
Okay.
We're not doing this.
So you're curling
Knuckles are here, yep,
Okay.
and we're kind of punching the bar up, punching the ceiling. So down, almost like it's gonna come here, but instead.
So
we
it's
go-
like, so it's a skull crusher but further forward.
Yeah, so we're here, down, knuckles up, punch.
Okay.
And let the elbows flare out,
Okay.
punch. And you do not need a lot of weight.
Yeah, I would assume not. All right.
Okay. Tummy showing. So here, and then down, and then start coming towards the, and then pretty much resting on your butt, more towards your chin. Yeah, and knuckles up. Yep. And now punch the ceiling. Yeah, punch it back up. Down, resting on your bicep. Yep. Punch. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow. You're gonna feel a lot in your elbow. I do. Especially the guy I don't have wraps on. Yeah, you have no sleeves. Dude, that does feel fucking wild on my tricep. How many did you do? Even go a little higher, up to almost like chin. Like here? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, that's good. Wait, that's it? Now we'll add tens. We'll okay. 10 which might be enough weight for you. The first time I did these, I'm pretty sure this is like the weight I did. Honestly, yeah. My elbows keep cracking.
I think that's what we'll stick with, just 6.
Alright.
Is that what you were doing, or did you go up?
I did like 9. I'm just gonna do however many I can.
Nothing else matters. Come up.
Yeah, see, that makes a difference.
I realized that what I was doing wrong.
Yeah.
Like, this was too easy. That's 4.
Yep.
Okay. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Those first 2 ones, I'm like, wait, I'm pressing it.
Yeah.
I fixed it, but.
Oh shit! That's the thing, you can always shift it down, just do a press. That's failure.
So for you guys who don't know how to safely, you know, get out of a failed lift, just bring it back up.
Go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Let's go. Come on. Nice, come on.
One more.
Come on. Lock it.
Jesus. All right, well, Zach, thanks for letting me into your gym.
Absolutely, bro.
All right, any final words?
Get better at log.
You.